when your attorney tells you that you need to go for a physical examination by a doctor of your attorney's choosing, don't turn around and say, "I'm not going." Would you like to know why? Come join me for a walk along the beach as I share with you the answer to that question. I am Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. So let's say this is a medical malpractice case. And now, during the course of your lawsuit, the defense lets your attorney know that they want to have you examined by a doctor of their choosing. Your attorney tells you that you have to appear for a physical examination by a doctor of the defendant's choosing. And you say, "Why do I have to go? This doctor isn't going to treat me." And you know what? You're absolutely right. This doctor is not there to treat you. The doctor that they assign to examine you is not there to get you better. The doctor is there to minimize the extent of your injuries. The doctor is going to do everything possible from the defense standpoint to show that your injuries really are not as bad as you claim them to be. During the course of your lawsuit, you are basically forced to participate and to go to this physical examination by the defense. So now, that's not what I'm talking about in the title of this video. At some point afterwards, your attorney calls you and tells you, "Listen, I want you to go to a doctor that I have chosen for a physical examination." And your initial gut response is, "Why? Why do I need to go to another physical examination? I just went to one. I'm going to all of my treating doctors. Why do I need to go to anybody else?" And the answer is because your attorney is trying to help you. Your attorney is trying to help you establish damages. Your attorney is trying to show that your injuries are significant and or permanent. And one of the best ways to do that, in addition to you treating with your various doctors, is to have a doctor who has examined you now come into court and ultimately explain everything that they observed, explain all the records that they reviewed, explain why your injuries are significant and permanent and limiting and disabling. The doctor whom your attorney chooses is one that your attorney has selected. And this doctor is hopefully going to come in to support your position that your injuries are significant and they are permanent and they are disabling. And at trial, your attorney will bring in the doctor to testify on your behalf, and the defense will bring in the doctor that they hired to examine you. And the jury will have to evaluate which doctor or doctors they believe. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because many times the injured victim turns around and says, "Again, I'm going to have to go for another physical examination. I just went to one. What's the big deal?" The big deal is when the defense hires a doctor to examine you, he's not going to be treating you. He's not going to be helping you. He's going to go ahead and try and minimize the extent of your injuries. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you wanted to see the beautiful scenery behind me. No, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter happened in the state of New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.